Hi everyone, I'm Adetolani Prince. I'm a photographer. Come and spend a day with me as a photographer. A friend of mine said he needs a photographer in Ibadan. Since I'm in the neighborhood state, I decided to take the job. I woke up very early since I'll be traveling to another state for the shoot. Seriously, Lagos is not for the weak. Shaggy everywhere, especially this bus conductor. Despite the fact that I woke up very early, I got to the park very late and it took my bus a while before we moved. I grew up in Ibadan, so this is not my first time traveling to the States. On getting to Ibadan, I took a bike heading to the location, although the bike might charge me a lot, and I was wondering what happened. But I had no choice. God even saved me. This bike man is not afraid of any. After a while on the bike, I started wondering why my friend picked this kind of location because it's far. It's like traveling to another state. On getting to the location, I got discouraged. I thought the place was not that good until I entered the place. Truly, it's not good to judge a book by its cover. Don't mind the red powder on my face. The road to the location is still under construction. Within some minutes, we started looking around for where to take the shoot. Everywhere looked attractive, and we are convinced of where to pick, but we later found a place not that far from the entrance. And without wasting time, I told them we should start taking pictures. I started giving them posters back to back, even calling them to come and check it. But it got to a point I noticed I'm already tired due to the stress I passed through while traveling. At this point, it is obvious. Just take a look at my leg. Within some minutes, we finished the shoot and I was heading home. But before I left, I took some pictures too. On getting home, I performed some magic on the pictures. Although I was already tired, but I need to edit those pictures. And this is the end product. Like, comment and follow for more.